Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and use this free income expenses and saving tracker application, which is created in Microsoft Excel by using Visual Basic for application. First of all, let me show you how to download this application. To download this application in an internet browser, open this web page, which is displayed in the screen. I will also put this web page link in the video description below, from where you can open this web page. After opening, scroll down and locate the download section. Here you have this download section, where click on this download free template button. Select the location where you want to save the template, then click on the save button. After completing the download, open this downloads folder. This application is downloaded in a compressed zip folder. So first you need to unzip or extract the file from this folder. For that, right click on this, then click on extract all. Click on extract. Here you can see the application is extracted. Now you need to right click on this Excel application, click on properties. Then here you have to mark this unblock option. So click on this unblock option, then click on apply and OK. Now open this application by double clicking. For the first open, you will see this message here: security warning, macro have been disabled. You have to click on this enable content. Now to open the application, you can click on this launch income and expenses tracker software. Click on this. Here you can see this is the main user interface of the application. Let me show you each and every feature and the operating guideline. First of all, you have to add the income and expenses categories by using these two buttons. Here you can see add income category and add expenses category. If you click on add income category, here you can see I have already added the income categories here. If you want to add a new one, you can simply put the category name here. For example, let me put here insurance claim. This is an income category, and to add this, you can simply click on the add button. Category has been added. Here you can see the new category is added here. Similarly, to add the expenses category, you can simply click on add expenses category button, then put here the expenses. For example, let me put here clothing as an expenses category, then click on the add button. Category has been added. Here you can see the new category is added. Now here you can see the transaction section. By using these fields, you can add a new transaction of either income or expenses. In this date field, you can click on this calendar, and from this calendar you can pick up any date. Let me pick up this 20 February 2026. In this income and expenses, you can choose either income or expense. If you click on the income, or if you select income, then here in the category drop down, you will see the income categories. If you select here expenses, in the category drop down, you can see the expenses categories are given. Let me select this clothing category for expenses. Then here in the amount, let me put here 1250. Now click on the add button to add this transaction. Let me click on the add button. Record has been added successfully. Click on OK. And here you can see the record is displayed here. If you want to modify or edit a transaction, suppose that if you need to modify this, then you have to double click on this transaction. When double click, it goes into the text box, and here you can make the adjustment. Let me make it 1100. Then click on the update button. Record updated successfully. Here you can see the record is updated. If you want to delete a particular transaction, for example, if you want to delete this household expenses, you have to first click on this, then click on the delete button. It has given the confirmation dialog where you have to click on the yes button, confirm the delete operation. Click on yes to delete this transaction, and click on no to go back. Let me click on the yes button. Record deleted successfully. Here you can see the record is removed. The next feature here is you can view the transaction based on the category. Like currently the all is selected, so all transaction is visible here. If you want to see only the incomes, then you can click on this income and you'll see only the income transaction. To see only the expenses, click on this expenses, and here you can see only the expenses are given. Beside this, you can see export data button. This button is for exporting the data into new Excel worksheet. If I click on this export data, here you can see the data is exported in new Excel workbook. Beside this transaction section, here you can see the visualization of total income, total expenses, and total saving. Every time you record a new transaction or modify a transaction, then this visualization will automatically update, and this will show the total income, total expenses, and total saving. Above this visualization part, here you can see from date and to date. This is for viewing the transaction for a specific date range. For this, you can simply select the date or the from date, click on the calendar, then select the to date, then click on the refresh button to see the transaction of this range. Let me click on the refresh button. Here you can see the transactions are given. Let me select all the transactions from here, then click on the refresh button. Here you can see the transaction is given for the selected date range only. Above this from date and to date, there is two buttons. One is the save button and other is save and close. If you want to save the transaction that you entered, simply click on the save button. Workbook has been saved. If you want to save these and close this application, then you can click on this save and close button. So this is all about how to download and operate this income, expenses, and saving tracker application in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.